Do you find it hard to small talk in meetings? When you meet someone for the first time in a business setting, sometimes you just don't know how to break the ice. The latest wallpaper feature in EZCast can help you bring up talking points before your meeting starts. Let me show you how it works. All you need to do is find out where your acquaintance is from, or what he or she is interested in, and use that to change the EZCast wallpaper. If your new friend is from New York, enter the key phrase New York into the wallpaper function inside the EZCast app. The EZCast dongle will display the best photos associated with New York to help you break the ice. If your new friend is from London, use the keyword London to change EZCast dongle wallpaper accordingly. If you are meeting someone from Tokyo, you can use the wallpaper to remind him or her of home. By changing the EZCast dongle wallpaper to specific photos, your new friend will instantly feel welcome and may begin sharing anecdotes with you. When the meeting begins, no matter which device you use, Android, iOS, Windows, or Mac devices, you can wirelessly present to the big screen. The new wallpaper keyword feature can help you cleverly add a personal touch to your meeting rooms. Be sure to try it out in your next meeting. Please like and share our video and subscribe to this channel for more EZCast tutorials.